Okay, so here's how you use Flodesk as a curated newsletter. So this is for those of you who want to create a curated newsletter where you're aggregating or collecting links, resources, recommendations, news, etc. This could be a local newsletter, a niche-related newsletter, a marketplace-related newsletter, even something that just reflects your own emerging area of interest, expertise, personal passion, etc. So you need two tools. One is Milanote, which is free. I actually pay for Milanote, but they have a free tier as well. And you need your Flodesk account. And essentially, all you're going to do is every week the time is up to you. You can do it daily, you can do it weekly, you can do it monthly, but on the schedule that you decide, you want to add links to your Milanote board that, again, collect areas of, interesting thoughts, news, products, whatever it is that you're doing. And then you export that as a PDF, and then you upload that to your Flodesk account, and you send that out as your weekly, monthly, daily newsletter, and it has a downloadable collection of resources that your audience can access, download, click on the links, etc. It's great for affiliate marketing. You can do this really in any sort of niche or area that you're interested. Now, the other way of